Right, I've shared it so many times this week, right? But this is for you, right? So Canada yen on the weekly and daily chart is showing a bullish trend. 4-hour and 1-hour chart is a weaker bull, and the reason for this is because of looking at the chart on the technical aspects, the data aspects. What traders are thinking about is a weaker Japanese yen across all broad. And why do we have a 4-hour, 1-hour chart, a weaker bull trading setup? Right? Basically a weaker version of it because Bank of Japan intervened it. And I've shared it before they did the intervention, right? Give out the warning before it happens. I even give you the date range it's going to happen, right? So you want to get all this information, get into our community over here, or just simply drop me a DM. We can have a chat, right? So over here, what we have is that on the weekly chart, we could see that the bad pattern has really took off, right? See how it goes. We're going to chase this based on the weekly chart. It's not that wise because it has really went, but we can always, ride on the trade on the lower time frame. That's one way of doing it. On the daily chart, you can see key support level 113.98 over here, right? So if you're looking to sell, you can wait for a bounce back up. 115.24 could be the level, or if it went higher, 116.92, you can wait for your confirmation. For me, it will be magic candle confirmation to engage for a selling opportunity. But my action is basically on the 4-hour chart, right? This is what we call on the spot kind of trading. When the market opens, this is valid, right? So you want to get these first-hand information before you saw it over here. Drop me a DM. I'll just send you the link to get into our community so you receive these before market open, right? So for our chart, we do have the magic candle confirmation really happen. This line should be somewhere over here, but I purposely put it higher to let the alert trigger. So you bring me back to this chart and waiting for my next move. The next move could means that on the 1-hour chart, I'll wait for a retest back down on the support level. Let me just push it higher for alert trigger purpose. 114.18. I'll be waiting for a buying opportunity. Alternatively, you can see that I still keep this line blue. And if you follow me long enough, I do color code my trades and my intention. And the purpose is if it went higher, then you test back down, then you give me my magic candle confirmation. I could head in for a buying opportunity as well. Right? Want to learn more about this and the idea of earning additional income with just 15 minutes a day interests you? Drop me a DM.